Hello, my name is Matt Erickson, and this is my Assignment 1 project for SE456. Go ahead and we'll start by running the code here. So to start, we've got the linked list tests. I've got it so it'll add to the front of the list. There's a couple here. Then I have it add to the back of the list, which you can see it's doing just fine. Then I had it add in back of specific nodes. I started with adding it in front of the, or in back of the head, in back of the tail, then just in back of specific nodes here. Just in the middle of the test somewhere, and it works just fine. Followed by in front of, once again, I did the head, the tail, and just the same specific nodes that I'd used before. And as far as I can tell, it works just fine. And then I had it also remove specific nodes, starting with the head, the tail, and then once again those specific nodes that I was removing from. Then I got into the pooling of the nodes with the lists. Started with the simple add to, remove to. It starts out by initializing the reserve with 5 nodes and has a growth of 2. In this specific one where it's adding 2 and then removing 2, it never actually grows, but you can see that it starts with 0 in the active, adds 1, 2, and then goes back down to 0 eventually after it removes them all. And there's the final stats of it. The next one, I did the add 7 nodes, remove 3. Once again, starts with 5. Grows by 2. In this one, as it's actually growing, we get down to the point where there's a 0 in the reserve, so the next time it tries to add, it adds 2, taking 1 down instantly, and leaving the other unreserved there. And then when it adds again, takes it from the reserve, and then it begins removing certain nodes. It specifies the node that it's removing here, the dog 18, which is no longer in the list, and then it goes with that. We go all the way down to the final stats after it removed 3. In total, there's 3 uninitialized nodes and 4 that are still in the active. And then for the extra credit portion, just showing that the engine runs with no changes to it. You can see that all the sprites are bouncing around and spinning and doing what they were, or what we were shown that it was supposed to do. So that is all I have.